And if you're new to my channel, at the moment I'm turning this full transit into a stealthy, off-grid, go anywhere, sleep anywhere camper van. And today I'm going to be doing my ceiling. I'm going to be putting my slats up. I'm going to try and do like a little time-lapse video as well. Now normally when I do my time-lapse video things tend to go a bit wrong, so bear with me. Now before I do that, I want to say a big thank you to Brett at Urban Stealth Campervan Man. He gave me a shout out on his channel yesterday and I had a really nice response from that. I had loads of lovely comments, so not all nice and positive, so thank you mate, really appreciate it. Also a big thank you to the Wandering Womble for all his advice this morning. Good on you mate, I took everything in what you said and I really appreciate that as well. Now Brett said he was going to watch me like a hawk. To say I feel paranoid would be an understatement, so thanks for that mate. When I get my heater I will do a little video on how you can cure all your damp problems. I've got the answer to your problems, but I'll do that in the video when my heater arrives. It should have been here yesterday, so hopefully it'll turn up today. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with my ceiling. I'm going to put my phone down, put it on time-lapse video. Hopefully, big hope, nothing goes wrong. Right, I'm going to get cracking. Well, as predicted, it's a disaster. I've run out. I didn't get enough packs. I thought I had enough, but as it turns out, I didn't. I'm 3 bits short. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. But anyway, I would have ended up going back and get some more because one of the pieces has got a big hole in it. And there's no way I would have put that on my ceiling. So anyway, it gives me a perfect excuse to have a coffee and a bite to eat. Rest me back for a bit because it's back breaking. So I'm off to Wixies, off to get a coffee and some more slats. Back in a moment. Well, my ceiling is finally finished. Well, almost finished. I just need to finish off one panel. But before I fit that final panel, where all my wires are running underneath, I wanted to check my lights are working first. So there you go. All tickety-boo, all working really well. There's my final panel that's going to go there. All my connectors are behind there. I'm going to make that panel so that it's removable. Yeah, quite pleased with that. It's all symmetrical, it's all nice, just how I like it. So there you go. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to call it a day. I'm hungry, I'm tired. I probably would have finished this a lot sooner if I had run out of wood. So tip of the day, make sure you got enough materials to finish your job. Right, I'm out of here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more, make sure you hit notification. Ta-ra for now.